Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Viber number in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to have Viber account in your mobile. So if you do not have Viber account, then go to Play Store and download it. Or if you are using iOS, then go to App Store and download it from there. So I already have my Viber. So just click on this and here it is. So you can just search in this bar, which is in the top right corner. And here you can just search your name and see the contact number here and go to the profile name. And here is the number, you can see it. So now the another way is you can just go to this call, which is in the bottom one. Just click on this call button and here are the number and the names. You can just click on this and you can see the number. So in this way you can just find out the number in the Viber. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.